Hi, scientists. I'm going to show you how to complete the work for Monday 10-5. You're going to start off with an Edpuzzle. Remember that if you want to make the reading bigger and easier to see, you should click the expand button and then answer the questions as they appear. When you finish with your Edpuzzle, you're going to click next to do a simulation. For this simulation, we need to go to FOSWeb, so you're going to follow that link. You're going to log in with Clever. And then wait for the page to load. We are in the chemical interactions unit, so you're going to find that book with the firework right here. You're going to go to multimedia and then look for energy flow. It might take a minute for this to load. What you're going to be doing here is clicking and dragging some numbers and arrows to show how energy flows. So first, you need to drag the temperatures to where they go. Here's the room, so I would click the number there and drag it. This is the outer tub, which you can see has ice water in it. And here's the inner tub, which has warm water in it. Once I put the temperatures in the right place, I'm now going to show how energy flows from high to low. So if this is 40 and this is 10, I want to show that energy flows from the high number to the low number. So I would click and drag that arrow. Here, again, high to low. 40 is bigger than 0, so I'm going to click and drag that arrow. And then from here, I see that the room is 10 and this ice water is 0 degrees. So I would click this arrow and drag it here. When I think I have the right answers, I would click check. I want to put in a wrong one so that you can see how it looks. If one of the arrows is wrong, it shows energy flow incorrectly, it'll turn red. So I would switch this to a different arrow, and then it tells me I got them right. Once you finish, click another. I want you to try 5 examples before you go back to Canvas and post a discussion response. What did you learn in this simulation? You're going to hit reply and tell me, what did you learn? Once that's done, you're going to click next and do the Aspire to Do assignment, which is a model. So like the last time we did this, I would really suggest clicking this link to make this bigger and easier to view. The directions say create a model that shows how particles in the air and coffee would look after 15 minutes. So here's some hot coffee particles, and here's cold air. Over here, you're going to recreate this scene for after 15 minutes. You need to click and drag the particles to move them around. So you're going to click and move these to show how they would look. And then you're going to click on a particle and then the paint can to change the color. So if I want to show these coffee particles 15 minutes later in the air particles, I might not choose red and blue because they're no longer hot and cold. They're someplace in between. So you can choose a color from here. And then you might also include arrows by clicking on the shape button, arrows, and then including some arrows from here. And last, you might include a text box by clicking this button and then saying what the model shows. And explain there. So again, you want to show how would this situation look after 15 minutes. I'll give you a hint. The coffee won't be as hot because some of that energy will be flowing up to the air. Okay, y'all. Those are the directions for today.